Tie wrap saved the day. On a cold winter day, Jamie, Peter, and Jessica were hauling an expensive piece of equipment across the frozen Canadian prairie. All was going well until their truck's serpentine belt just snapped and broke in half.
Broken down. We have our power pack here. Serpentine blew our idler pulley. We're kind of screwed. So what we're going to do is run power from our generator through our extension cords to the front of our buggy.
The group soon realized they could be stuck for hours on this cold and remote road, unless they got ingenious. A makeshift serpentine belt of tie wrap cable ties saved the day.
We have a rig up of pull ties to try and run our fan so we don't overheat. Here goes nothing.
Then we'll start generator if she goes, or she's all gonna fall apart.
Our temperature gauge is cold, that's good.
But nobody knows how far they can go.
This is the 10-minute tie wrap inspection.
"60 miles later, the serpentine belt is still going strong. Not wanting to push their luck, they decide to build it up a little more.
So here is Dad putting tie wraps on something.
Lost a couple tie wraps here, just broke down about 100 clicks ago. Coming back on tie wrap power. Just gonna send it. Okay. Now, tighten them up. It'll be good for another 100 clicks. Oh, look at that. We got speed. We're gonna watch our water. As long as we don't overheat, we're good.
Finally, they made it to their destination, thanks to their inventive ways and a spare bag of tie wrap kept in an emergency road kit. When performance matters, you can count on tie wrap. What is your tie wrap story?